more wall decor fun. This is gonna go above the couch. It even has all the little islands. Jamaica, Haiti, Puerto Rico, Taiwan, Sri Lanka, Maldives. I love this little puzzle. It's amazing. So I have this wooden travel wall decor map, and it's really beautiful. It's these wooden pieces, and they're also made out of different color plywood, and it's pretty thick. I also have these metal mat pins to show the places that I've traveled over time. So I have this going over my couch, but the thing is, it has very intricate pieces for like all of the islands, and so it's very small pieces, and I didn't want to put them individually onto the wall. So I got this plywood this morning from Lowe's, and I'm going to spray paint it this metallic blue color. You can kind of see the color in the light. It has like a very subtle metallic called Brilliant Metal Finish. So that's gonna hopefully look like some water. And then I also got a polyacrylic finish, protective finish, and clear semi-gloss. And I'm gonna spray paint that blue, and then I'm gonna tape the pieces onto that, and then I'm gonna put that big piece over the couch. So that's my next project. You heard it here first.